Hello, tech people. For the longest, I have been confident that the world is hungry for a truly world-class indigenous African entertainment experience. Over the years, I've even pitched to Chocolate City and stuff that I would love to join them and stuff like that to build with them. But I question how ready I would have been if I had been given the opportunity then. I would have figured it out in a way. But now that I'm even now more grounded in who I am, grounded in the spirituality of my people, grounded in the spirituality of the universe, I am now more than ready to actually get serious. Now, the reason that I am now calling on tech people is because I've been listening to the Afro-Puritan podcast for a while now, and I recently watched the recent episodes they made about what Afro-Puritan is, and I got to learn the concept of a digital nation where they have passports, but even more useful for people, and where I already have work that I published a human nature algorithm in 2021 that I feel like that I know is the most precise and concise human nature algorithm in the world, in existence, and that I use every day. And the Afro-Puritan nation, one of their applications is their dating application, Legacy. And I have a unique angle to it, right? And I believe that now I have two products. I have the entertainment experience, which is vast. This could be what I dream, what I picture, what I envision is a version of Rock Nation. It's a Rock Nation of sorts. So it's entertainment is very wide. Entertainment isn't only music. So both movies, sports, and stuff. And also now the matchmaking angle, as well as many other products that could be brought up. I believe that if we are speaking about a truly world-class indigenous African entertainment experience, then it has to factor in African spirituality, because if a people's spirituality dictates their culture, if a people's culture stems from their spirituality, I cannot speak about an African entertainment experience without grounding it in African spirituality. So this is the most careless pitch deck that you're ever going to hear, right? But if you have money, let's work. When I was thinking about raising money for just the entertainment side of it, the music and starting with music, right? I was thinking 300,000 USD. And because I'm good at cost cutting, right? I'm not extravagant at all. So I was, and I'm good at lean organization. And I'm saying just cut cost, and get to efficiency. So that was what I was envisioning previously, 300k for the entertainment experience. Well, if it's now talking about a nation, that's even more, right? So again, this is the most careless pitch deck you're ever going to hear. But that's some stuff that I would like to, that I am now focused on, one way or the other. So if you already know about the stuff that I do, and if you possibly see that, if you believe that I probably have it in me, hit me up. I would love to have coffee or talk and see how it goes. Cheers.